Past simple. Positive. I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus played. Question. Did plus I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus play? Negative. I, we, you, he, she, it, they plus didn't plus play. Past continuous. Positive. I, he, she, it was running. We, you, they were running. Question. Was I, he, she, it running? Were we, you, they running? Negative. I, he, she, it was not, wasn't, running. We, you, they were not, weren't, running. We use past continuous to talk about a past action at some point between its beginning and end. He was working in the garden at 7 o'clock this morning. An action in the past simple often happens during the activity in the past continuous. They were having dinner when we arrived. Note the difference between. They were having dinner when we arrived. They started dinner before we arrived. They had dinner when we arrived. They started dinner at the time of or just after our arrival. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, heard. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, stopped. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, began. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, became. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, met. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, read.